Hi everybody, I'm Ellie with TMaxx USA, and today I want to talk to you about protecting your luxury and exotic vehicles using TMaxx PPF film. PPF, as you know, stands for paint protection film, and we offer the classic gloss clear film, satin clear film, which is very popular, and over 50 colors to choose from for a color change PPF experience as opposed to vinyl. Now, today we have this Bentley Bentayga extended wheelbase Azure Edition, one of the most beautiful and luxurious SUVs on the market today. And the owner of this car was very concerned about a couple of things. Number one, it's a black Bentayga. And black cars, as we all know, are very hard to keep clean. They constantly look like they need to be polished or waxed. And an SUV is very susceptible, especially if you're going to own it for a long time, to road rash and rock chips and door dings and things that could adversely affect the paint on this vehicle, which would require a trip to the body shop and probably an expensive paint repair. PPF is the answer. PPF is designed to go ahead and take the abuse of the road rash, the rock chips, the door dings, and then it also has self-healing properties. And that means that if it does get compromised, with the right heat techniques, you could probably revive the film and it goes back to normal. But what's extra special about TMaxx PPF is the fact that if it is compromised, it is most likely going to go ahead and protect the paint underneath so that you don't have to go to the body shop. Now, once you apply PPF to the whole vehicle, like we did on this Bentayga, cleanup becomes very easy. Soap and water. You're never going to wax it again. You're never going to buff it again. Really easy cleanup. The film is also hydrophobic, so it repels water and rain and things like that very quickly, allowing also for very easy cleanup. But let's get back to this vehicle. As you look at it, I told you earlier that it's a black Bentayga. And yes, it is, from Bentley. But the owner of this car decided to go ahead and think outside the box. And as I was sharing with him our gloss clear film, which would have been the natural way we would have protected this Bentley, we started to look at our color change hyper gloss black PPF, which when we put it up to the Bentley, you're not going to believe this. It actually had more of a mirror finish. It was a deeper shade of black. It looked better than the Bentley paint. That's wild, right? Well, trust me, that's the case. So this Bentayga has been completely wrapped in hyper gloss black TMaxx PPF film. Gloss black film on a gloss black car. Different, but it makes sense because you know what? We achieved exactly what the customer wanted, protecting the complete exterior, all the painted areas from damage, allowing a very easy cleanup, and this Bentayga is probably the best looking black Bentayga on the road today because this customer chose hyper gloss black film. You don't have to have a Bentley to go ahead and apply full PPF. It makes sense for all types of cars. And with a 7-year warranty from TMaxx, you're protected throughout that process. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. We have so many more amazing videos and installations coming your way soon.